Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to see 12th max. Already we are doing chapter 1 application of matrices and determinant. Today we are going to see a final step. That is today topic is application of matrices consisting of system of linear equation by rank. Here we are going to see a new concept, that is consisting of system of linear equation. Last class we have shown the same thing only, that is consisting of system of linear equation. Solution for the system of linear equation we have shown. In that one, what are the methods we have shown, means matrix inversion method we have shown, and Cramer's rule we have shown, and Gaussian elimination method we have shown. Before that one we have shown Ax equals to B, x equal to A inverse B by matrix elimination method we have shown. Today we are going to see one more important, and then it is a generalized one. It is a most generalized format, that is consisting of system of linear equation by rank method we are going to see. One theorem is that just statement alone we need to see here. What's that one you can see here? That is here theorem 1, that is Roches-Chapelle theorem we will say. Roches, what he is saying you can see is a system of linear equation written in the form as Ax equal to B, that we know, written as a form of Ax equal to B is consistent if and only if the rank of the coefficient matrix is equal to the rank of the augmented matrix. They are saying. So a system of linear equation written in the form as Ax equal to B is consistent if and only if the rank of the coefficient matrix is equal to the rank of the augmented matrix. That is, rho is indication for rank, rho of A equal to rho of A dash B, that is augmented matrix. This is augmented matrix, this is coefficient matrix, as you know. If these two are equal, then we will say that the system is consistent. That is the statement they are saying. Based on this one we have so many problems to solve. Okay, now I want to just give a clarification about this one. We have linear equation. We are having linear equation. In this linear equation we have two ways. One is consistent. Another is inconsistent. Means no solution. Inconsistent means no solution. Inconsistent means no solution. Consistent means we have solution. Okay, so keep in mind this one. If system linear equation is there, means we are having two ways. One is consistent, that is we are having solution. Inconsistent means we are having no solution. Okay, in solution also we have two way. One is a unique solution, another is infinite many solution. In the beginning of the class itself we have discussed this one, that is talking about equation x plus y equal to 10. We have infinite. I want to recall this one. X plus y equal to 10 means what is the solution? Infinite solution. Why? X I can give 1, y as the 9. Add it, you will get what? 1 plus 9, 10. Or x is the 0, y is the 10. I can likewise I can give plenty of solution for this one. That's why it has an infinite many solution. That is two variable, we are having only one equation. That case. Same thing if I am writing x plus y equal to 10 and x minus y equal to some 4 means what will be the solution? If you are saying means how you just solve it. If you add means what we are getting 14 7x, and then if you add means what you will get 2x, y will vanish, 14 will come, x value is 7 will come. Subtract it, what you are getting, that is minus it will get cancelled, minus 2 y will come, that is if I am subtracting, minus plus will come, this is minus, so this is plus x minus x will cancel, this will become add not 2y will come, that is subtracted not 6, then y value is 3, it's coming. So if x value is 7 plus 3 is 10, 7 minus 3 is 4. So solution is we are getting here clearly about that one. Is that clear? So it's a unique solution. Only one value, that is x equal to 7 and y value is 3. In that case only we will get a solution for this one. Whereas here we have infinite Maltese solution because variable is here 2 but equation is 1. That's why it's an infinite Maltese solution. No solution means you can't find the solution for that one. This is the thing we have solved. Okay, I think you will be able to understand. Here if it is rank of A is equal to rank of A slash B, if equal then only we will say the solution is exists. If it is not equal then it is not a, we won't get a solution, that we will see in the problem. Let's see go the problem. That is we are having one problem here. I have written the question, you just have an idea about this one. Here the word is non-homogeneous linear equation. They are saying is a non-homogeneous. This is a homework. I am giving the word as a homework. What do you mean by non-homogeneous? That you find and tell me. Linear equation I have explained you in the previous class itself. What the example is saying 1.2. Test for the consistency of the following system of linear equation and if possible solve. And if possible solve they are saying. So you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equations are there. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We are having how many equations? 4 equation is there. So in this 4 equation, how many variables are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 variables are there. To get a unique solution, we must get rank should be same. Row of A equal to row of A slash B. That we need to check. Let's check this one solution. First we will write a matrix, that is we are getting here as 1, 2 coefficient minus 1 and this is 3 minus 1 2 and this is 1 minus 2 3 and this is 1 minus 1 1. This is I am writing coefficient of x y z that I have written and here. So if you are going to multiply with x y z. So you can check whether multiplication allow or not. How many rows are there? 4 rows. How many columns are there? 3. 4 cross 3 and here is 3 cross 3. Multiplication is allowed. Equal to, here you can see 3 1 3. Don't write 0 because here plus 1 is there. Don't forget that plus 1 is coming here, minus 1. So here will come minus 1. So you can say this is a coefficient matrix. You can say it's a coefficient matrix. If augmented means if you add this 2, we call it as a augmented matrix. Now we are going to do what? Gaussian elimination method we need to follow to solve this one. We'll check that one. How we are going to write? We are going to write A slash B. We are going to write A slash B. What's the A? Clearly write it. So 1, 2, minus 1, 3, minus 1, 2, 1, minus 2, 3 and 1, minus 1, 1 is there. Slash this side we are having 3, 1, 3, minus 1 is there. That you keep it in mind. Now we are going to follow operations. What are the operations? You can see here it is 1. So remaining is you need to make this entry 0. First task that we need to do. Let me do that first. Okay. So how we are going to do? As we know this is 3. So that's why R2 goes to 3 times R1 minus R2. 3 times R1 minus R2. That we are going to do here. That is multiply row 1 by 3 and subtract it with R2. So if I am doing that one, what I am getting, we check now. I am writing here. So first row is same. So I am going to write as such 1, 2, minus 1 and 3 is as such. 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 3, 0. 3 twos are 6. 6 minus 1, 7. Minus of minus. That's why it's a 7. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5 we are getting. Here 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 1 is 8 we are getting. That is the first task. I make this as a 0. Next just R3 goes to R1 minus R3 I am going to do. That is 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus of minus plus 4. Minus 1 minus 3 minus 4. And then 3 minus 3 answer is here 0 it's coming. That is R3 is what. Next R4. R4 how I am going to write now? R1 minus R4, R1 minus R4. That is 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus of minus 3. Minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2. 3 minus 1, this is 4. So first task we have done, this is 0. Is it clear? And that similar way we are going to do next concept is you need to make this this entry 0. Okay, this entry make it to 0. What will happening? We will check. Is that clear? Okay, next we do the operation. Next we will see what we are going to do. I need to make this entry 0 and this entry 0. We need to make use of this one. Okay, so what the command I am going to do? This is R3. R3 goes to 4 times R2. That is I am multiplying 4 times R2 minus 7 times R3. 7 times R3. If you subtract 7 4s are 28. 4 7s are 28. The answer will come 0. For that reason only I am doing. I'll just write here. Then we'll do. I am not doing the first column. First row I am writing as such. So that it's not disturbed. Second also row is not going to disturb. That's why I am writing right here as such here. Only the thing is this will goes. Here it is what I am writing here 0 7 minus 5 8. And here it is what 0 4 minus 4 0. This is R2 is going to be multiplied by 4. This is actually R2 is going to be, it's not visible, just a minute. R2 is I am going to multiply by 4 and R3, there is row 3 is going to multiply by 7. So our concept is 0. So this is 0, this is 0, no problem, the answer will come here 0. Here 4 7s are 28, 7 4s are 28, 28 minus 28, answer is 0 here. Then 4 into minus 5 minus 20, subtraction we need to do. 4 5s are 20, 7 4s are what? Minus 28. Is it clear? Now you need to subtract here, minus is there, minus into minus plus. Plus 28 minus 20 is what we are getting, we will get 8 alone. Here 4 8s are 32, here 0. So as such will come, 32 will come here. Is that clear? Is that clear? Okay. Next concept is, here you need to make this 3 as a 0. So again I am going to use the same logic 7 itself. What's the command now? R4 goes to, what's the command is? R4 goes to this row goes to 3 times R2 minus 7 times R4. Okay, these two things. For rough work I have written here some paper I have taken, so for understanding purpose, so 0 7 minus 5 8, this is R2. Okay, and R4 is what we are having, 0 3 minus 2 4 is that. Now this is I am going to multiply by 3. Okay, this is going to multiply by 7, that you keep it in mind. Okay, so for our easy understanding purpose, now you can see I am writing here 0 0, so answer is 0, no problem. Here 7 3s are 21 will come. Here 7 3s are 21. 21 minus 21, answer is 0. Alright, next 3 into minus 5 is minus 15 will come. Correct? And then 7 into minus 2 minus 14. But subtraction is that this will become minus now. Minus 15 plus 14, answer is what will come? Minus 1 will come. Is that clear? Okay. Next one here 3 8s are 24. 7 4s are what will come? 24. Correct? 7 4s are 28. Sorry, it's a 28. So 28. But here it's a minus will come. So answer what will come? Minus 4 will come. Is that clear? So answer is here minus 4 I have written. So now second operation I have performed. What that operation means? Now you can see 0 0 minus 1 is there. Here minus 4 is there. Next one. Next one what we are going to do here, you can just follow the same. Now my aim is this, I need to make 0. You just multiply 8 this one 8 1. So what I command I will write now, R4 goes to R3 plus 8 R4. 8 times now 0. So this will become 1 2 1 2 minus 1 0 7 minus 5 0 0 8 will come. Here 3 will come, 8 will come, 32 will come. Now what's the command I have written now? 8 ones are 8, plus 8 minus 8, answer will be 0. So 0, 0, 0. Here for 8 3s, 8 4s are 32, 32, 32, answer will come 0. So entire row is 0. Now next is 8 and 32 is there. So R3 goes to R3 by 8. So easily you can divide it. What we are getting? 1, 2 minus 1, 0, 7 minus 5, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, slash here 3, 8 dividing by 8. So that's why it's a 4 will come. This is 0. So now you can see one entire row is 0. So leave it off. So what's the order it's coming? Row of A, that is coefficient. This alone you can see 1 non 0 is the rank is 3. Then row A cross A slash B, that answer is what? This is also what it's coming, 1 non-zero. So this also 3. So we can say row of A equal to row of A slash B. That is rank of A equal to rank of augmented matrix, we can say. Now we got it. Now we are going to, what we are going to do, again you write the equation form. So what you are getting, here the coefficient 1, 2 minus 1. So x plus 2y minus z equal to 3. This is one equation. First. Next one, what is this? X is not there. Y and z there. So 7y minus 5z equals to what we are getting? 8. This is second equation. Third equation is what? 1 and 4. So z equals to 4 we are getting. That's all about. Okay. Now with the help of this one we need to solve. Already we will got z value is what? 4. So substitute here 7y minus 5. Z value is 4. So 4 equal to what is that? 8. So 7y, 5 4s are 20. So minus 20 equals to 8 is there. 7y equals to minus 20 goes that side now plus 20. So 8 plus 20, 28. 7y equals to 28. Y equals to 28 by 7. 7 4s are 28. So y value we got it as 4. So now we got the value of z, we got the value of y. Now we need to get the value of x. So x plus 2y. Y value is what we are getting? 4. So it's coming 4 minus z value is again it's coming 4. So that's why it's a 4 equals to what is that? 3. So x plus 2 4s are 8 minus 4 equals to 3. Then x plus 8 minus 4 now plus 4 equals to 3. Then x value is we are getting 3 minus 4. Answer x value is what we are getting? Minus 1. So we got the solution as minus 1. So now we need to write all the solution, that is it's visible, that is x equals to minus 1, y equals to 4 and z value equal to 4. So these are the solution for this system of linear equation. You can see it is only one value, that's why it's a unique solution. We will say it's a unique solution. Okay, so now we'll see the next example where it's a little bit easy when we compare to last sum. Here it's 3 equation only. So how many variables are there? 3 variables, x, y, z is there. So what they are saying here also same, test for the consisting of the following system of linear equation and if possible solve. So that is the thing, we will write in the form of Ax equals to b. What's the A matrix that you write? 4 minus 2 6 coefficient, 4 minus 2 6 is that, and then here 1 1 minus 3, 1 1 minus 3 is there. Next what we are having? 15 minus 3 9. So 15 minus 3 9 is there. And x values we will know unknown variable is x, y is z, and then this is equals to B matrix 8 minus 1 21 is there. That is the thing we are having here. Okay, so now you need to write row of rank we need to find. So we'll write like this format. What's that format now? As you know, we need to write 4 minus 2 6, 1 1 minus 3, and then 15 minus 3 9 slash here what will come? 8 minus 1 and 21 will come. That's the thing we are getting here. Alright, so now we need to follow the Gauss elimination method. We need to follow. If we follow, you will get on. Here what I am doing, head should be make a 1. So that's why I am exchanging this R1 and R2. Exchanging of R1 and R2, it's performed here. If I exchange, what we'll get? You just see Here 1, 1 minus 3. Here will come 4 minus 2, 6. As usual 15 minus 3, 9 is there. Here also exchange will take place. Minus 1, 8, 21 is there. That's the thing we are having. Alright. Okay. Now head is 1. Next what do you need to? This 4 you need to make a 0. This 15 you need to make a 0. So first R2 goes to 4 times R1 minus R2. Because here 4 is there. 4 ones are 4 now. Easily we can cancel for that reason. 4 1. So first row I am writing as such because it's not going to be changed anymore. So I am writing as such. 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 4, 0 will come. 4 ones are 4. Minus of minus will become plus. So 4 plus 2 is 6 will come. Here 4 3s are 12. What 12? Minus 12. Minus 6 now minus 18 will come. Here 4 ones are 4. Minus 4 and 8 minus 8 now minus 12 will come. So one task is over. Next I need to make this as a 0, 15. So what I am going to write, R3 goes to 15 times R1 minus R3. Okay, for easy purpose. 15 ones are 15. 15 minus 15, 0. 15 ones are 15. Minus of minus plus 3. So 15 plus 3 is, we are getting 18. 15 3s are 45. This is minus 45. This is minus 45 minus 9. So we are getting 54. What 54? Minus 54 will come. Here 15 ones are 15. So minus 15 minus 21. We are getting 36. Correct? What 36? Minus 36. So we are getting minus 36. So first task is over. You can see for making easy purpose, this is entirely divisible by 6. So R2 goes to R2 by 6. Can I divide? So what I will get? You check now. 1 1 minus 3 slash minus 1 is that. So 6 by 6 is 1. 6 3s are 18 minus 3. 6 4s are 6 2s are 12. So that's the thing we got it. Similarly here 18 is there. 18 here also 36 54. 18 how much time will goes 54? That you need to check. 18 ones are 18. Here also 18. Or you want 9 table easily goes. 9 5s are 45. 9 5s are 45. 9 6s are. So 9 6s are how 9 6s are 54 is there. Divisible by 9 table. So this is what we are having. It's coming divided by 9. So therefore divided by 18 is there. Just minus 54 is there. It's visible. Sorry, I will write here. You just carefully see. 18 is there, minus 54 is there, minus 36 is there. I am just dividing by 9, 9, 9 for understanding purpose. 9 ones are, this is 2 times. So 9, this is how much time? 9 4s are 36 is coming. Okay. 9 ones are, this is how much time will goes. Just now, 9 tables means 9 6 are. Okay. Again, I can divide by 2 now. 1 time, this is 3 times, this is 2 times. So I can write R3 goes to R3 by 18. I can divide it by 18 for understanding. So this is 0, this is 1 time, this is minus 3 times, this is minus 2 times. So I got this one. So now you can see here you can see here R3 and R2 are same. So I can perform one more operation. What's the operation? You can see here. So R3 goes to R2 minus R3. If I am doing what I will get, you can see here 1 1 minus 3 will come slash minus 1. This is not going to change. Here 0 1 minus 3 minus 2 is there. Subtract now 0 1 minus 1 0 minus 3 minus 0. Here minus 2. So 0 is there. So you can see here an entire one row is become 0. Further you can't make it as a 0. So that's all, because if you subtract here it will change. Again if you make this 0, the some other will change. For that reason only what we are going to do, we are not going to disturb anything. Okay, now you can see, now find the rank. Now rank of A, that is coefficient matrix. This alone you see, this determinant you can't make a 0, because 1 1s are 1. 1 minus 0 is 1 only will come. So this 2 by 2 minor is not 0. So rank of A is 2. What will be the rank of augmented matrix A/B? This is here, it's not going to be 0. So this also 2. So rank of A is also 2. rank of A equals to rank of A slash B, which is equal to 2. Okay, both are what? Equal. So it is consistent. Which consistent? So solution will exist. So you write it. Solution exist. Alright. Solution will exist. But here order is what ma? Rank of AB is less than 3. Because how many variable? Number of variable. Number of variable is here 3. So it is less than 3. Okay. So therefore, if rank of AB is less than 3, which is number of variable 3. Therefore, it has infinite many solution. It has infinite many solution. Alright. Why means rank of AB it is equal to 2. Both are equal, that's why it's a solution will exist. But here rank of AB is less than 3. Less than 3 means which is less than the number of unknown variable. Just now we have shown in the rough paper now. X plus y equal to 10. If it is one equation, two variable na, it has what? Infinite many solution. If it is two variable, two equation na, unique solution. But here how many variable are there? 3 variable. But rank is 2. That's why it is we are saying that it has infinite many solution. Then what we have to do means, you just see, first write the equation. I am just slightly taking this one. This alone you write the equation. What is that? 1 1 minus 3 equal to minus 1. That is x plus y minus 3z equals to what is that? Minus 1. Here x value is 0. Only y minus 3z equals to what is that? Minus 2 is there. Alright. So on a third equation you want to write now? It is not possible. 0 into 0 into 0 0 0. 0 into x 0, y into 0 0, z into 0 0. So there is no. Here how many equations are there? 2 equations. How many variables are there? So number of equation is here. Equation is 2. Number of variable? Variable here 3. So the obvious is less than now. You have what? Infinite many solution. That only here we are saying rank of AB is less than 3, that is number of variable. So it is less than the number of variable, that's why it's having infinite many solution. In this case, how we will get the solution? Now any one variable you make it as a t. Okay, it may be z, it may be y, whatever, you take it as a t. So we will take z equals to, I am taking a t where t belongs to real number, belongs to real, it may be any number like we have done in x, y, x0 now y it's 10 0 plus, just now we have some the same way. Here t belongs to what? Real number. Then equation will become as what? What's the equation? X plus y minus 3z equal to minus 1. One equation is there. Another y minus 3z equals to what is that? Minus 2. Since we have taken z value is what? T. So z value is t now. Here we can take it as y minus 3t equals to minus 2. Then y value is what? Minus 3t goes that side now, plus 3t minus 2. So y value is what we are getting? 3t minus 2 we are getting. That value is substitute here. So x plus y value what we are getting? 3t minus 2 minus 3 times z value is what we are having? T equal to minus 1. So solve it. So x plus 3t minus 2 minus 3 into t is minus 3t equals to minus 1. So plus 3t minus 3t vanish, isn't it or not? So plus 3t minus 3t get cancelled. Now we are getting x minus 2 equal to minus 1. Therefore x equals to minus 2 goes that's it now, plus 2 minus 1. Answer is 1. So you can see here. Now x value is what we are getting? 1. Y value we are getting 3t minus 2. And z value we are getting t, where t belongs to z. Sorry, t belongs to r, real value. That is the solution for this solution for this linear equation. Okay, two more problem is there. How we are getting? We will see in the next class. Probably, if it is possible, inshallah, next class I will finish this chapter, and then we have one more class for doubt. After the doubt clarification, we will have test. Okay, surely write it. Those are watching, and send me that homework too. I'll send the homework clips too. Okay, thank you. Wassalam.